Living a healthy lifestyle has always been important to me, and it used to be easy. I'm a wife, a mother of 2, and a cardiac nurse. It's become harder and harder to find the time to prepare healthy meals for not only myself, but also my family. I haven't wanted to compromise healthy eating just because our life is busy. My husband and I have always tried to prep meals on the weekends, but that doesn't always happen. We need another option, something quick and fast, but still healthy. As a working mom, I feel pulled in so many different directions. I've realized, though, that being a mom means making sacrifices and embracing the little everyday moments. I've been a cardiac nurse for 7 years. I've seen what can happen to people's bodies when they don't take care of themselves. I love my job, but it's just as busy as my family life. If I haven't had time to prep meals at home, I'm so thankful I can bring a meal from Eat Fit Go and not have to worry. It saves me actual time and a lot of mental energy. At the end of my workday as a nurse, I go to my other full-time job, being a mom. When we go to Eat Fit Go, I know I can trust the food I'm giving to my family and that the portions will be just right. Having access to healthy food on the go means we can maintain our busy lifestyle without giving up our commitment to living a healthy life. I grew up on a farm eating clean, fresh food straight from my parents' garden. It was a value instilled in me that has carried over into my adult life. Eat Fit Go has given me the margin to play and cook with my kids, knowing I have a stock of ready-to-go, healthy meals as well. When I come home from work, I want to be able to be present with my kids, not worried about what we're eating for dinner. The mental load Eat Fit Go has taken from me is huge. When life feels out of control, stressful, or I'm just completely maxed out, I know we have a place to grab healthy, fresh meals that give me the energy I need to go to work, be an awesome mom and wife, but also not give up on our commitment to living a healthy life.